Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Benson local and long-distance movers near me. The first step to take when relocating to a new environment in Benson, AZ, is to hire a competent moving service. The reason for this is not far-fetched. First, relocations are complicated and sometimes depressing. Even if you get some of your friends and family to help you pack your belongings, they can't do it as perfectly as a moving company. In most cases, doing it yourself also turns out to be more expensive. So you might spend more money doing it yourself than you would if you hired a moving service. We recommend you call 3 Movers now to get started. This company provides the most sought-after moving service for everyone willing to change their apartment in Benson, AZ. All the local, long-distance, and other client-specific moving services we provide at 3 Movers are affordable, efficient, reliable, and excellent. Nothing excites us better than seeing our clients smile when we help them settle into their new office or home without disrupting their schedules or exceeding their budget. We're confident in our moving services, and you should be too. We have several past clients waiting to share their fantastic experiences with you if you need proof of our competence. When you're ready to leave your current home or office for another one within Benson, 3 Movers is ready to have your back. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.